Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Power the dock and confirm the adapter matches your ThinkPad's wattage. Plug in the dock to wall power, then align the laptop's docking connector or USB-C so pins mate cleanly. Once connected, attach monitor, Ethernet, and peripherals to the dock. This allows the dock to present devices to the laptop immediately. Make sure status LEDs show power. If the dock has a release latch, keep it open while seating the laptop so the connectors engage fully. Once the hardware is seated, you update drivers. Open Lenovo Vantage or Windows Update and install dock firmware and USB/graphics drivers. This fixes enumeration issues and ensures video over USB-C or DisplayPort works reliably. Then go to Display Settings and choose Extend, Duplicate, or Single Display. Set your main monitor for taskbars and apps. Also verify sound output switches to the dock if you use dock speakers. And confirm Ethernet is connected and To finish, confirm everything functions: keyboard, mouse, external monitors, Ethernet, and charging. If you need to undock, use the release or shut down to prevent file loss. If something misbehaves, power cycle the dock, unplug power, wait 10 seconds, then reconnect and reseat all cables. Sometimes a single USB-C connection fails to negotiate. Make sure you update dock firmware and your ThinkPad BIOS first, because that one step often resolves detection and charging conflicts without swapping hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.